Hi, this is Tammy speaking, and I'm going to walk you through how to use the Bartender 9.3 software to print the codes that were generated from the barcode tool generator off the Gains website. So if you haven't installed the Bartender yet on your PC, go ahead and do that first. Otherwise, just go to All Programs, Bartender 9.3, and then Bartender. It just takes a minute here to load. And the first thing we're going to do is start a new label format and a blank label format. Just go next. Just choose your default printer because you can always change that later. We're going to use a predefined stock. So if you purchased Avery labels or some sort of standard label, it should have come with a stock number, and you can just browse through here to find your stock number. If you don't have standard labels and you need and it doesn't have a matching format in this list, you may have to create some custom settings, and we can help you with that if you need to do that. For now, we're just going to choose this one and go finish. So what pops up here is a label, and even though it looks gigantic, it's really only the size of the label you just defined. So next we want to go create barcode, and if you just drag your mouse over to your label, you'll get this little barcode icon, and then just left click and it drops it onto your label. So you might want to just place it in the center here. If you want to make it bigger or smaller, you can use these handles here to size it to whatever you want. Next, we're going to go right click and go properties, and we're going to actually define the actual codes that will be brought into this definition. So the first thing we want to do is choose this little wand and go data source wizard, go next. Instead of screen data, we want to choose a database field and go next. We want to choose the database connection setup and then next, and what we want to do is we want to use Excel as our database platform. Next, we're going to browse through the code file that you saved from the Gains website. So I just saved mine in the temp directory, and so I choose my file and go open, and then go next. And we want to choose on the left hand side here, you have a list of tables. You want to choose the table without the $sign, so usually the first one in the list. So highlight it, click add so it shows up on the right hand screen here, and go finish and OK. And then you want to choose in the field name, you want to choose code and then go finish and then OK. So now if you go file print preview, you'll see all my Gains codes have printed in here. And then if you want to, these aren't quite lined up quite right, so you can just go close and you can adjust, highlight, make sure this is highlighted by, and you can tell because it's got the green around it, and then you can just size this up, make it better, and then go file print preview again, and it's looking pretty good. So then now you're ready to print your labels, and you can just go file, print, and choose your printer, and you're ready to go. So you probably want to save this file. You can just save it as whatever you want to call it, Gains, and then go save. And that's it for Bartender for now. Thanks for watching.